All right, so in this case, I have found a picture and I would like to change the color of something on this picture to a different color. Not all of it, just part of it. So let's say I've got this color picture of the man in the pink shirt and I want to change it to a blue shirt. It is actually really easy to do with Pixlr Editor. Here's how you do it. So I've got the man here. I right click, I copy the image address. I found this picture from unsplash.com. You could also just download it, re-upload it right into File, Open Image if you have it saved, or Open Image URL if you had copied the URL as I did. Once it's in there, here's what you're going to need to do. The long and the short of this is we are going to make a duplicate layer, okay? And we're going to duplicate this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just use a little lasso tool and we're going to just select the pink parts of the shirt, and then we're going to use a tool called Color Replace. And we'll pick a color, and as we paint it, it's cool because even the shadows stay dark. So I just paint over top of it very precisely of what I have selected, and it will only paint over that selected part. So here's how it works. I'm going to choose the lasso tool. Actually, first of all, I've got this layer. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to choose duplicate layer. And it'll say background copy. If that's your original picture would be your background, this would be a background copy. Now I'm going to use the lasso tool. And again, don't choose the freehand lasso, but choose the polygonal lasso tool. So we're essentially going to zoom in here first. Let's get in there nice and close. We're going to have to do this in two parts because there's a pink piece here separated by this strap, which I don't want to change the color of, and then the rest of the shirt is part two. So I'm going to just take my lasso tool and I'm going to select, start one place, click, and remember every time you want to kind of adjust your selection, you're just going to click, 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 click. You're probably going to want to be a little bit generous. Just go around the outside, just outside the edges. You don't want to go inside because then you're going to miss some of that pink. Just go outside. So just keep doing this until you're done, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I've selected this whole piece here. Now I'm going to choose this tool right here, the Color Replace. Go down, yours will probably be black, and wherever it is you can choose. If you want to click anywhere in here you can. I kind of like going to web and just selecting the part that I want to select. So I'm going to make this now bright green, let's say. Okay, and now I'm basically just going to click and drag. Look at this, I can even go over the edges a little bit. It's not going to harm anything. And I'm just going to keep holding it down and painting, painting, painting. And it will eventually be green. I can just do the exact same with the rest. Use the lasso tool again. Polygon, just go around all of it. Go back to the color replace tool. My color will be there exactly how I want it. And then I can just paint over this part too. And again, because you use that special polygon to select just that certain part, it's only going to apply that effect to the part that you selected. So there you'll have it. You can zoom back out when you're done. You'll have a green shirt or whatever color you choose, and then File, Save As, and it really doesn't matter if you choose PNG or JPEG. Both will work, and that is how you change the color of part of an image in a full color picture.